Hey guys, this is a great game swap video. It's a collaboration that was organized by Lena at Life with Lena, and we appreciate you doing that for us, Lena. This has been a lot of fun. This wonderful box that I have came from Danny at Griswold Family Vacay, and we appreciate you, Danny, and your wife for putting this together for us. Danny really kind of covered it for us. He sent us a whole 30-pack box of Pop Secret, which is wonderful. My granddaughters, all of us love popcorn, so thanks for that. Perfect snack for us. And then he also sent us a matching game. It's a Marvel matching game, which I'll open here in a minute and show you what's inside. And then also Disney memes, the game. So Disney themed, you know, our favorite stuff, and Marvel. So let me show you this box. This is the matching game, and it's Marvel Superhero. Open this. And it has instructions. It's a nice colored instruction card there. And then, of course, we have not played this yet. My granddaughters and I will do that. Well, I'll probably play these when everybody's here for Christmas. So this is perfect timing. All of the cards you get to punch out. They're really cute. Let's see, Iron Spider, Spider-Girl, Vision, Falcon, Miles Morales, Spider-Gwen, Black Widow, Thor, Spider-Man, Iron Man, Captain America, and Hulk are the ones that are showing. So we'll punch those out and put those together. That's going to be a lot of fun. My granddaughters love matching, and we play board games a lot, so that's perfect for us. And also the Disney meme game. Now, we have not played this before, so we're looking forward to playing this. Let's see. Open this one. And of course, it has the directions, the rules for play, and then it has the cards. And this is, again, this is meme, the game. So I'm thinking that you come up with a meme for the card that you pull, and the best meme wins. So that should be fun. We're really looking forward to playing these. It comes with couple of stacks there. We will put these together and get everything laid out and play these while the family's in for Christmas. So this is just really a perfect box for us, and I really appreciate Danny, grab this, at Griswold Family Vacay for sending this to us. We will have a lot of fun with this. Again, the popcorn's perfect, Danny, so these were great picks for us. Lena, we appreciate you. Lena at Life with Lena organized the swap, and so we've had a lot of fun with it. And we sent ours to Lady Chambers. So Jamie, we hope you enjoyed your box as well. And again, just a really fun swap, guys. And if you have any questions about either of these games, just put them in the comments below, and I'll try to answer them as best I can. But we're looking forward to playing these over the holidays. We wanted to wish all of you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Wonderful holiday season, and we hope and pray that 2021 is a little better than 2020. We're hoping for a great year, and just wish all of you the very best from the Hitchhiking Bones.
Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to give us a like and a subscribe, and come hang out with us on social media. We're the Hitchhiking Bones, and we're on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. There's always room for one more, so hurry back.